I'm Brittany with WTI, and life can get pretty crazy, but you don't have to sacrifice hydration because you're busy. And the Pogo water bottle helps so that you don't have to. Now for me, it's easy to forget how much water I've consumed within the day. So that's why I really appreciate the ounces written on the front of the water bottle, which helps me with this chronic forgetfulness. Because all the parts are dishwasher safe, I don't have to worry about any buildup. I can just take it apart, put it in the dishwasher, and I know now every time I grab my water bottle, it's nice and clean. Now this is a perfect water bottle for running errands or just being around the house. Even if you have a lot of things in your hand, all you need is a finger, and it can be by your side. I love this water bottle. I love the color, I love the style. It's a great tool to help you stay hydrated throughout the day and look good doing it. And that's my point of view.